Take some time to relax into the blessings of the day. Feel relaxed yet alert in your body and mind. Now, take a deep breath. Look around you and offer your gratitude for everything in your presence. Give thanks to your circumstances and livelihood, to your health, the silence, the calm, love, tears, joy, and everything. Be grateful. Take your hands to your heart and say to yourself, all is well. Now I will send some loving kindness to myself. I feel love swirling around my heart. I will send love from my heart to myself because I deserve love. I love who I am. I will send love from my heart to my family, relatives, friends. I love my family. May my family be safe. May they be healthy and may they be happy. I will send love from my heart to those who hurt me. I will say to myself, I love you, even though you hurt me, because I am made from love. May you be blessed and be happy. Now I will feel the gently calm air emitting from the plants around me, the mellowing sounds from the animals, the amazing beauty of nature. I will send tons of love from my heart onto the earth. I will say to myself, I love the earth and all its occupants, the trees, the animals, the environment, and the people in it. May they all be safe and may they all be happy. Now, take your mind to the important people in your life. Visualize them one by one. See them before you and be reminded of how much they mean to you. Allow any frustrations or conflicts you might have had with them to float away like the wind and let it go. You are calm, you are peaceful, you are happy.